What the fetch is up, chumps? Let's go. We are back and it is time to learn some more Scrypto. So I missed last week because I was in crunch time actually, trying to prepare for an investor pitch for the game that I'm working on called Dadbod, which will eventually be hopefully on the Radix network. And all the characters and items and all that good stuff will be NFTs on Radix. So that'll be awesome. I'm excited for that. Which, I mean, at the end of the day is kind of why I'm figuring out Scrypto, so that I can build that. I'm just going to take a second and shoot the link over into the Discord, so that if anybody would like to hop in, they may. There we go. I am figuring out. Whoa. Weird to hear myself speak and say the things I literally just said. So, I don't know what it is with OBS, or not, yeah. But it makes my computer lag hardcore, man. Like, it's crazy. CPU is at 60%. It's pretty crazy. All right. 'Tis sent off. Let's go. Alright, yeah, so, again, welcome chumps. It's time to learn some more Scrypto. So, 2 weeks ago, I partnered up with a guy, T, and, I mean, we just started teaching ourselves how to write tests, and all that good stuff. We made some pretty good progress. And, I mean, we're just going to keep going with that. I got some more feedback from Jake at Radix Works. And so now I feel like I have a pretty good comprehension of how to build my thing. Let me double check, because I feel like he sent me, might be pretty far back in this chat. Oh boy, okay. I need to remember to go to developer mode once I have everything prepped. Oh, I need some music for you guys. You guys love music. Community, Scrypto, examples, yes. YouTube, lo-fi. Did Lo-Fi Girl recently disappear and was like replaced by Lo-Fi Boy or something like that? I feel like there was a lot of tweets about that or something. Load. You can do it. Let's see. We are going to search myself. So I can find the response. There we go. That might be loud. All right. guess I thought Jake answered my question, and he gave me a really solid code response. Like, it was awesome. I can't find it. No. What have I done? What have I done? Huh. Found a message that didn't pop up in my search, so I feel like searching Jake would not work. Discord is glitching out. People's names are just the first letter with dots. What's going on? Oh, okay. Okay, so that's not it. We're closer though. And this is 2 weeks ago. So is that like the 4th? Maybe the 3rd? Oh, I gotta be close. I know this is likely a little... Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. Heck yeah, man, we found it. Alright. Development mode activated. So I sent in my code. Let's see, what code did I send in? Yeah, I sent in this. Transaction 1 build. Okay, this is what I sent in. Perfect. Great. And this is what Jake gave me. So let's give it a shot. Alright, so he makes this B tree map, which is access rules. So I mean, it's great. Now I know that access rules is a B tree map. A B tree? Yeah, B tree map. So that's awesome. We are inserting additional access rules. We're creating our new NFT with the data that we wanted. Calling a method deposit batch into the account component. Okay, so this needs to be... So his code replaces all of that. Yes. Perfect. Okay. What the fetch is sum. Type mismatch. Type mismatch resolving test data 2 as into iterator. What does this code do? Rust. Oh, dang on 3.5, it's going fast. Okay. creates a sum variant of the option enum. Okay, test data is a struct type with a single field name of type string. Creates an instance of the test data struct with name field set. Convert the string into a literal. Okay. Similarly, test data. Okay. Both test data instances are placed in an array. The entire array is wrapped in the sum variant of the option enum. The sum variant represents a value that exists as opposed to none, which represents the absence of a value. Okay. Oh, what is an option enum? Dude, GPT 3.5 is insanely fast now. This is crazy. Like, that was way fast. Whew, that was crazy, okay. This is a type that represents the presence or absence of value. It's a commonly used type to handle situations where a value might be missing. Where you want to explicitly express the possibility of having no value. Okay, so option then is Rust's way of doing nullable. Cool. Alright, good to know. Okay. So I guess you're getting angry. Ooh, what's going on? So I guess it's getting angry at this. Non-fungible local ID. So I guess it was expecting create non-fungible resource. Initial supply is an option T, where T is an into iterator, item is a non-fungible local ID. I can really appreciate these docs. That's pretty nice. Okay. T is an into iterator. So I guess in this context, test data size 2 as into iterator of item. But they don't match the non-fungible local ID. The Rust. Okay. It's getting the following error. Seems the code you provide is matched to your message. Honestly, you gotta love that I can just generate. I can use ChatGPT to generate code or like answer questions for me. Like, this is so nice. Used to create the non-fungible resource data. However, it appears that the manifest builder expects a tuple of non-fungible local ID underscore. Does that work? How do I create a new non-fungible local ID? Ah, it's an enum. Integer non-fungible local ID. Okay. So can I do something like this? Nope. Okay, nope. How would I create a new object? A new non-fungible local ID. Did it fix it? I think it did. Let's go. Epic. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Awesome. I don't know if that's a good way to do it, but that's how we're gonna do it. Okay. So next up we have even error here. Okay, these errors are annoying. The trait bound for a test data is not satisfied. The trait encode Scrypto custom value kind E is implemented for test data, required for test data to implement manifest encode. Okay, so you need to implement manifest encode. Is that how I do that? Nope. Oh, it doesn't know what manifest encode is. Wish I had an example of this. I mean, I don't even really care about the NFT data. I just want to make my NFTs. Okay, let's see. Or create a transaction manifest to create your NFTs over. Okay, so he says I can use the test runner to make my NFTs. Let's just try and do that. Shall we? So I'm trying to do this. Test runner. Oh. Create mintable fungible resource. Nope. Get spec into new validator, new key pair, new publish package, set metadata. File and publish. Just what I do here. But I want to create a new resource. But I don't know how to make a non-fungible. This is frustrating. I wish there was some documentation here or something. Okay. So metadata, get metadata. Fixed package royalty, account balance. Get component vault. Get component resources. New account, new validator. Publish package. Execute manifest. Okay, so I can preview, I can create restricted. What are you? What is a restricted token? Create non-fungible resource. That's what I need. Why could I not see that? Create non-fungible resource. Okay, so we create a non-fungible resource. I can withdraw, I can deposit. It creates 3 of them. It creates a non-fungible resource with the given entries. You know, this is some pretty solid information. That's some great information. Okay, so I was using the type UUID. I needed integer. to make my thing work. Let's go. Heck yeah, buddy. Okay. So the test runner is just like a layer on top of this manifest builder. Great. Okay, so we let NFTs be equal to that. All right. Okay. I guess I don't need any of these. Alright, so if everything went according to plan, if I run Scrypto test, oh, nope, stop, halt. Gotta get rid of this manifesting code. Okay, now we run Scrypto test. Everything should theoretically work. It should create my non-fungible resource. My 3 NFTs. Okay. Alright, we're making progress, You know, I still want to... Okay, so what do I need to test? Everything still compiles, and that's awesome. So I need to test instantiate fixed price sale with royalty, and that's why I needed my NFTs, my non-fungible tokens. So I might actually make make 2 sets, because I can put a vector in here. I can put a bucket, 2 buckets. Each bucket will have different set of NFTs. Then we have our vector royalty share. Right. And I guess it's building my tests now that do absolutely nothing. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna have an NFTs 1 and an NFTs 2. And I don't care about access rules. So with that, we should have everything that we need. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. Okay, there we go. Yep, I know it's not in use. I'm aware. I just wanted to make sure that you built. Which I guess if there are no errors, it should build. Whatever. Alright, so now we're going to instantiate the contract. Boom. And to do that, we are going to call our instantiate fixed price sale with royalty. I'm pretty sure I have some code down here for that. Maybe. Fixed. No, maybe not. Okay. So let's see. So how do these guys call function. Package address, hello NFT, instantiate component. Do I not have that somewhere? I guess I probably got rid of it. My wife is here. No, she's not. All right. 10 more minutes. Let's try and get our component to instantiate, guys. It's already been 31 minutes. I haven't made that much progress. Ooh. I've learned some. I've learned quite a bit, though. The test runner. Let's go fetching test runner. Okay, so... we're going to copy this code. Alright, so we're going to transaction 1. It's going to create a manifest. The blueprint name is... fixed price sale with royalty, and the function name that we're going to call on it is instantiate. I can probably just call it instantiate component. Then we have our arguments, so I need a vector. So what I need to do is I need to take from the tabletop, the work top, take from work top, withdraw from account, oh, okay, so withdraw from account. Okay. So I need to do withdraw from account. I'm not doing radix token. I am doing NFTs 1. That's the resource address, the amount. You know, it's I guess 2. Okay. Is that what I wanted? Yep. Okay. So withdraw that from account. We're going to withdraw NFTs 2 only. So 1 NFT 1 and 2 NFT 2. Okay, and then we need to grab stuff from the worktop. So we take from worktop radix token, builder, and bucket. Take from worktop. By non-fungible IDs. Okay. I mean, I guess I'm kind of okay with that. Take resource from worktop. We're just gonna take all of them. Let's just be simple. So we have NFTs 1. We have a then F. What is F? We have U. Like a lambda function. We have the builder bucket. And I think we're actually going to need to do the builder again. It's not giving me any errors, so we are making progress. I'm going to do builder. do I have to return something? I don't think so. They just have builder call method. Oh. Expected mutable manifest builder found that. Builder bucket. Builder bucket. Builder bucket. You are there. You are there. You are there. You're there. What if I get rid of this? Is that what I need? Oh, okay, so I do need to return it. It's just confusing, because I don't know how to return a value. There we go. What's that? Boom. All right, Rust. You return a value by not having a semicolon. That's fun. Okay, so we have our manifest args, and now we start slapping crap in here. So, I mean, the first thing that we need is, a vector of buckets. We finally have our NFTs. We gotta do, I guess. Okay, come on. Let me click on bucket 1, bucket 2. So can I do bucket 1, bucket 2? Will it let me do that? Or will it get angry? No? We're good. Yes, let's go. Accepted payment token. Radix token. Yes, sir. Price? Sure. 1. Royalties. Royalties. You know what? I'm gonna... I think this royalty needs to have a pointer to the account that will receive this percentage. And if it doesn't have it, I guess my question would be, how am I even paying people out? Yeah, fungible. Right, so I'm going to need to give so this bucket, I'm going to need to put this royalty badge into, yep, okay, so I need a, this is the account component that can claim the royalty. Is that right? Account component address. Okay. Yep, fine with that. I'm a-okay with that. What that means though is we need multiple accounts. Public key 2, 3. Private key 2, 3. Account component 2, account component 3. So, account component has the things, and he's gonna sell the things. He's gonna claim a royalty on the things, and component 2 is gonna claim a royalty on the things. And account component 3 is going to purchase the things. Okay. Alright, man. I think I'm making sense here. We'll see. So this will be. How do I? Royalty share. Can I do 0.1? Or will you get angry at me for that? Alright, get angry. Yeah, okay. Okay. So I need to. I don't need this anymore. Right, I need to somehow import my package. Oh, I guess time is up. I'll look up this last thing, and then I'm gonna be done. Rust, how to import package into test folder. Okay. Actually worked. Great. Except all of you is angry. Okay, right. it's not non-fungible data anymore. Or maybe it is. Do I use it? I don't think so. Oh. Okay. So I mean, there's that. That created some errors. Oh, it is non-fungible data. Oh, okay. Okay. Never mind. Shall I do what I have done? Alright, I'm gonna think about this. It's been 50 minutes, made some pretty good progress. I think I got a little quiet there at the end because I was really diving in deep. Pretty sure I'm gonna redo how I've done this, because I feel like the NFT itself, I don't need any metadata on there. It's literally going to just be used to validate an account, a component address. And there's probably some method already in place that should enable that functionality. Like the personas, for example. I don't need NFT data to do that. So all of the data, like this royalty share, for example, can just be stored in here instead of royalties. And so I could have the account, well, yeah, so I think I'd have two structs. I'd have this royalty share that's passed in here when I instantiate, and then I'd have these royalties, which is the non-fungible local ID, that points to the vault that will be storing the information, that will be storing the payouts, and the percentage that that vault is supposed to receive. And then I can just, when the payment occurs, I can loop over all of the royalty values and pay them out as I'm doing right now, except right now I'm looping over all the NFTs. I don't really want to do that. What I want to do is just loop over the data that's stored in this component itself. That feels way simpler to me, way cleaner. All the data is just nice and neat, packed right where I need it to be, and the NFTs are just used as access to withdraw money from the vault for a given non-fungible local ID. So we're gonna go with that. We're gonna give that a shot and then maybe look for some feedback. But I mean, we made some awesome progress here. We're building our first transaction to test the crap out of our stuff. So let's go. Woo, progress is being made, boys. This is awesome. So as I said at the very beginning, I'm working on a game called Dadbod. Last week I didn't hop in and do any of this streaming and learning on Radix because I was prepping for a pitch that I was making to an investor. But Dadbod will be, the goal of Dadbod is to, poke fun at dads and family, or dads across the world, and build families and really support the familial unit. And a massive goal of mine is to build instructional video games. So Dadbod was designed with learning and instruction in mind. And so the game itself is designed around this idea of loot box learning. And I can actually just show an example. Just pop it up real quick and show you guys what I'm talking about. So I spent last week tying in AI so that you have an AI that kind of asks you a question about whatever it is you want to learn about. And that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. I do enjoy getting AI to do cool things for me. And so massive progress was made last week. Absolutely massive progress. And I really want to start getting more feedback on this. And so I'll probably be inviting specific people to come and, test out this like pre-alpha thing that we've got going on here. I want to validate the idea as best as I possibly can. And, find something that people actually enjoy and that actually works. So, check it out. I'm using the Godot game engine. Here's your dad bod. We can randomize them out. We can load my dad bods. This is loading in from Cadena right now. This is the first chain I built on, but I decided I wanted to move on from them. Here's some just examples of dad bod NFTs we got going on. I'm going to choose this guy with the baseball hat. Looking pretty good. Right, the only question set I have right now is just Python basics, which, I think this is awesome. So, we can play. We're going to hop on in here. I'm probably going to pause this music so you can hear the music from dad bod. So now we're in. Boom, we're running around. And our goal is right now is just to kill these wasps and collect experience. I guess you can't really hear that, can you? Oh, there we go. Heck yeah. So when we level up, our wife calls us and asks us a question. And what does the Python list.append function do? Inserts an item at a specific position in the list, removes, append, adds it to the end of the list. That's the right one. Boom. So we got that right. And now I can choose a new weapon. And because I got it right, I need to update the UI to reflect this, but we get 2 of whatever item we choose. So I'm going to choose the Pew Pewer. So I got 2 Pew Pewers, and you probably can't see it, but there's a number 2 right next to it up in the top left. So what will the result of the following Python, so by the way, all of these questions, the 2 questions you've seen so far are generated purely by AI. That's so cool to me. I haven't even optimized it in any way, but the questions themselves are still pretty fetching cool. I love it. So, what will be the result of the following Python code? List 1, 2, 3, list.pop, print list. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. So, it knows which answer is actually right, and it says that, and this is awesome. So I'm gonna upgrade my TAID, similar to RAID, but not quite the same. Okay, so write a function named count words that takes a string. So we can actually write code here. I'm gonna have to write some code. It takes a string as input and returns the count of words in the, well, obviously gotta figure that, but consider word to be separated by spaces. So I can just return len sentence dot split by space. So I can test this. I can print out count words sup my boy. We can test it out, run that code. Name sentence is not defined. Didn't spell that right. So boom. Awesome. So the output was 3. I mean, that's what we expected. So let's submit this bad boy, and we got it right. Probably couldn't even see that connect. I need lots of UI updates to make, but this is, you wrote code, it actually ran the code. You got to type some actual Python code. And so I'm gonna get the staple gun. Well, here we go. This is DadBod. So if any of you guys are willing or want to test this out, let's fetch and go. I'm super pumped for this. I'm excited. Hop on in and just shoot me a DM on Twitter. But there we go. That is DadBod. And that is my pitch for you guys today. Have a wonderful Thursday. It's been a lot of fun learning Scrypto and showing off Dad Bod, what we're working on. I really want to use it to help people learn all kinds of things. And I was focusing specifically on programming just because that is what I am good at. So, again, have an awesome Thursday, chumps. Let's fetch and crush the week.